You can either hang it and choose to just plug it into the electrical outlet if you are placing it, I don't know, outdoors or where you want to place it, or even using the ceiling mount that I'm the one that I'm gonna choose, which I think that it's nice. You can also customize light effect, and it's perfect. So you can use it on winter as it has reversible DC motor. You can place it and use it as I've said, summer, winter, any kind of situation that you need. It's perfect. It's also IP44 waterproof rated, and it's rust proof.